What up? Just doing an overview, walk around and mods list of my 2011 CRZ EX with nav. Got the HPD front splitter, Type R emblems front and rear, Blitz SUS power intake, hybrid racing trans detent springs, hybrid racing shifter bushings, did the 51R battery upgrade. Also have the Acuity solid shifter base bushings. Those three things really help a lot, like as far as making it feel like an aftermarket short shifter without having one. TL wheels, Accord center caps, HPD rear spoiler, the little side skirts and mud flaps, and the dealer accessory rear diffuser. Show you the interior. Fake Mugen shift knob. I got the WeatherTech floor liners. Covers up the ugly gray. That's pretty much it. Oh, I also have the JDM heated seat bezel. So I have aftermarket heated seat kit, and then I got the JDM European switch panel for the front and wired the switches in. Got the little TSX reflectors and the diffuser. Secondary cat delete, stock upper cat, stock resonator, and then muffler delete straight pipe. Also has a wiper delete. I'll show you the straight pipe. That's the puppers. And that's pretty much it. If there's anything I forgot, I'll throw it in the description. Thanks for watching.